How to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Now, if you want to log into your ID but you don't have access to your email or phone number and you forget the password, what you want to do is head over to your Chrome or any browser that you use and search for TikTok feedback. Now, once you search for TikTok feedback, your very first link should be an official TikTok website asking you to share your feedback. Now here, first thing is type in your email address. Now, you want to type in an email address that is not associated with your account because you don't have access to it. You want to type in an email address that you have access to. So I'll just type a random email address here and then type in your username. So suppose my username is example. Now select the general account inquiry option and now below on tell us more, select login issue. Now how can we help? It's important to note guys, type in your issue here. Now you can tell them you lost your account because you don't have access to your email or your phone number and you don't remember your password, and you can add in additional attachments like your videos, your profile and your ID identifying your face. And once you do this, click on here, ensure this and submit it. After this, TikTok is gonna contact you back within a few days. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.